Welcome to 7213 West Wynfiled Loop in Midland, Georgia. This spacious home is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths with 2,500 square feet and an awesome in-ground pool. This home has been impeccably maintained, which makes it so easy to come in and customize it to your own style. The master suite is spacious with an ensuite bath and walk-in closet. All of the rooms offer great space and terrific closet storage. The backyard is fenced and private with lush landscaping and a refreshing in-ground pool for all of your summer fun. This is 7213 West Wynfiled Loop in Midland, Georgia. Come check it out. Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you are interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.